Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to delete your recurring bills template in QuickBooks Online. It's going to be very simple tutorial. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and in the admin dashboard, you can go to your left side of your screen and click all apps, and it will open all of your available apps, and you can go to expense and bills and click bills. After that, you will be in this page. You will see all of your bills here for review, unpaid, paid, and recurring bills here. So, in order to delete your recurring bills template, you can go to this drop down and then click Manage Recurring Bills. After that, you will see all of your recurring transactions template here. So, let's say I want to delete this one, cellular bills. I want to delete it. Let's say I don't need it anymore, so I'm gonna delete it by click this drop down. And then as you can see, there's option to delete it. You can just click delete it and click yes. And it's done. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.